Hey, Steve DeHaan here in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, looking at a beautiful contemporary compact retaining wall that we installed right here on Telegraph Road. The old wall was failing. It started to become a safety issue. It was leaning down, and obviously how tall this wall is, it's very important this wall doesn't come down with the sheer weight. So when we took this wall down, it's not what you see, it's what you don't see. When you look at this beautiful wall across here, it looks great. What you don't see is that we dug this back 5 feet, installed GeoGrid every other course 5 feet, and then we put clear stone with separation blanket and hard perforated pipe. If you notice all the way down, the water runs all the way down because water is obviously going to run to the lowest point, and that'll help eliminate the hydrostatic pressure. So when water drops down the wall system, this pipe catches that water and allows it to escape out these ports. Therefore, the water can't build up through the wall system like this, put more pressure, because water is a lot of weight, and especially when it freezes, it doesn't allow it to push that wall over. With all these safeguards that we've done here and all the preparation, the engineering of this wall wall should last 50+ years. If you own a commercial property or properties and you need a retaining wall that's not only safe, but beautiful and functional, and is going to stand the test of time, 50+ years, give us a call toll free at 1-800-BRICK-PAVERS or go to we'retheguys.com and fill out the contact form. Thank you.